Hello friends, welcome back to JavaScript tutorial. We are discussing about the DOM concept in JavaScript, right? So what is DOM and how it is working, and we already discussed about two videos about that things. So how to get element, how to get element by ID, how to get element by class name. Now in this video we are going to discuss about how to access the DOM element using their tag name. And tag means what? So h1 is a tag, h2 is a tag, p is a tag, div is a tag. So all the things in the HTML actually which are started and ended with this backslash, so it's actually tag. Okay, so I want to discuss how to get element using their tag name. Okay, so let's see. So this is the HTML what we just HTML output actually what we created, and this is the HTML you can understand. And what is DOM? DOM is the total things which we are getting or which are seeing in these things. So simply if you just write document, we are getting all the things, means this is the document object. Okay, so now we will play with these things with their tag name. So first of all, if I just going to print these things, h1 heading. Okay, so if I going to access this h1 heading, so how can I do this? Simply we have a function. So just write document dot get element by tag name, and here my tag name is h1. So just write here h1. Okay, just enter this. So we are getting access of these things. Okay, so we are getting h1, and if you check in the inner HTML section, we are getting h1 heading. Right now, if I just going to print the things inside the h1, okay, so how are you going to get that things? So let's say I am taking a variable and storing all the things into that. So simply write var head. Okay, so head equal to head is the actually the variable. So if you just write head, so we are getting all the things which we are getting inside this this comment also. Okay, now if I want to get the value which are printed in this, so here if I just write this head dot inner inner, so simply just write, sorry, actually if you check here, so inner HTML is present in the 0 index, means when we use this command actually it's return a collection, not the string. So simply if I just going to access, so we need to write the 0 and just write the inner HTML. So simply just write, we are getting h1 heading. Okay, so now here it is a paragraph. So there are 3 paragraphs. If you check, there are 3 paragraphs. So if you want to get access of that things also, that time we will get in first paragraph we will get in the 0 index, then second paragraph will be 1 index. So I will see that things also. So simply just write in this way. So just write here paragraph tag and just create another variable, suppose to write here para. Okay, and now if I just going to print that things, so simply just write here para, and you can get there is 4 paragraph actually. Okay, so what are the 4 paragraphs? So these are the 3 paragraphs, and also this is the another paragraph. This is the 4 paragraph. Okay, so we are getting all the paragraphs here. Right now if I just going to print all the paragraph at the same time, so how we can do this? So if I just write here para, then 0, then inner HTML. Okay, so you are getting paragraph 1, and if I write here 3, that means we are getting the outside paragraph. Okay, so 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so all are getting, so by all are getting by the index. Now if you want to print all the things at the same time, so simply just use the loop concept. So simply write var I equal to, let's start with 0, and here if I just write here para dot length. Last video I discussed about actually length will print the actual length of the para, means this is the collection, and length will print how many paragraph inside here, means these things will print here. Okay, and just use I plus plus and just write the things, and from inside these things I just going to write in this way. Okay, so simply write this console dot log and just write these things, and simply, and I will just write here I, so it will dynamically print. So just enter this. So we are getting all the things, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3 and paragraph 4. Now if you want to include some styling here, we can add style. So simply just write here in this way. So simply write para and then the I, and simply write the style property, style dot color. I want to add some color here. So color equal to, I want to add blue. Okay, so now just enter this. So all the things appear into the blue color. Okay, now if I want to go into this specific div, means I want to change all the things inside the my div section. So we have a id my div. So here what we'll actually do, just close this now for a time. Now here I just use var, and let's create a div. Okay, and div actually this is the variable name, and here I will store all the things which are under my div. So how we can do this? So simply write document dot get element by id and simply write my div. Okay, so now let's check if I print the div here. So we are getting all the things from inside the div. Okay. So last time when you printed all the paragraphs, we are getting 4 paragraphs. Okay, now I am inside the my div. If I now print that things, so that time we will get only the 3 paragraphs. So let's see. Suppose let's create var nodes, and here write div dot get element by tag name. So simply write get element by tag name, and my tag name is currently p. Okay, and just print the nodes. So we are getting only 3. We are not getting the outside paragraph, means inside the my div section the 3 paragraph present. So we can working on the my div section also. Okay, so we are getting all the things. Now if I just want to print that thing, so simply just write in this way. So this time this will be the nodes and this will be the nodes, because all the things are stored into the nodes. Okay, so only paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3 are printing. Similarly, if you just want to change the value, so just write here nodes I, and simply I just want to add some styling property. So write style 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 dot color equal to, I just going to add green color. Okay, so simply write green and just enter this. So all the things are added into the green color. Now my wish, I don't want to add the green color into all the section. I want to add some different color for different paragraph. So that time how can I do this? So we have all the section into the div. So simply write div dot get element by tag name, and here just write star, and I want to change the color into the paragraph 2. So the index will be 1. Okay, so simply write 1 and just add the style. Okay, so style dot color, and here I just want to write the color is red. Okay, so now let's enter. So uncaught exception, sorry, there is a mistake, there should not be dot actually, and let's enter. So now you can see this paragraph to become red. Okay, now if I just want to change some background color, so simply we can change background color. Suppose I want to change background color of 2, means paragraph 3, so simply write background and let's color. Okay, and just enter this. So we can see the background color changed for paragraph 3, means 0, 1, 2 position. Okay, so now if I just want to add some padding, or if I just want to add some things into another, so simply just write here style dot padding into the first section. Okay, so 0, and here just write padding is suppose 50 px. Okay, now let's enter. So we are getting the 50. Okay, it's padding. So if you add some background color, you can understand easily. So just add the background color, and let's the background color is gray. Okay, so you can see that background color, and for 0 I am changing the background color into some different, so simply write yellow. Okay, so we are getting 3 background color. So in this way, by the tag name we can access other things also. Okay, so hope you can understand how it's actually working and how strong it is. Okay, so still if you have any queries about this video, please comment me in the below comment section. Next day we are going to discuss about another DOM related tutorial, so please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video, and do share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.